كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Identical ayat, except for what? ثُمَّ in the beginning. The rough meaning, كَلَّا. First, let's look at the word كَلَّا. بِمَعْنَى حَقًّا. كَلَّا means for sure. كَلَّا literally means not at all. No way. No way. In other words, this delusion of yours is not going to last. No way. You're going to wake up soon. And when you do wake up, you will yourself be saying, what have I done? How could I have been deluded? You know, when people are so distracted, there are people you try to wake up and you try to tell them what life is all about, and they don't want to hear it at all. And you say to yourself, man, there's no way this guy will ever accept the truth. That guy is a hopeless case. This one, no way they will ever listen. Allah says to them, Kalla. No, there is a time. For sure. They will listen. No more distractions. And this is after they've gone to the graves, right? After they've been buried. Now, Kalla sawfa ta'lamun. The first one. Very, very soon you will find out. Sata'lamuna means soon you will find out. Sawfa ta'lamun, very soon you will find out. Meaning your death is very, very close. It's not just close, it's very close. And as soon as you die, you're going to find out. Ali radiallahu anhu used to say, An-nasu niyam. People are sleeping. He says, people are sleeping. And when they die, they wake up. They die, they wake up. This was his comment, radiallahu anhu, in regards to this ayah. So we find, كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Soon you will find out. Find out when? You'll find out when you go to your grave. Man, what have I been busy with? What should I have been busy with? You'll find that out pretty soon. As soon as one goes into the grave and the questioning begins, you realize how messed up you have been. That's the first one. Then he says, ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Then again, ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Some ulama comment, the second ayah is not just for emphasis. The first one is for the questioning in the grave, when you will realize how messed up you were. The second one, soon you will find out, is when you come out of the grave, when the day of judgment begins, and all of your deeds are taken out, and the whole scrolls begin. Then you will really realize how distracted you had been. The full record. And the second record is more comprehensive than the first record. In the grave you're questioned, but not thoroughly. But when you come out on the day of judgment, how are you questioned? Thoroughly. So the second questioning is more powerful than the first, which is why the second ayah has thumma, making it more powerful. So, Allah Azza wa Jal says, كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Az-Zamakhshari has an interesting comment. He says, إِنذَارٌ لِيَخَافُوا فَيَنْتَبِهُوا مِنْ غَفْلَتِهِمْ. This is a gift from Allah. This is a warning, so that they may wake up from their delusion and their distraction. وَالتَّكْرِيرُ تَأْكِيدٌ لِلْرَدْعُ وَالْإِنذَارُ عَلَيْهِمْ. And this repetition, the benefit of it is that when you repeat, the warning becomes stronger. I'm telling you. When you do that twice, what happens? The one listening is really warned. You know, if you really want to stop your kids running into the parking lot. Stop. You don't say it once. How many times do you say it? You repeat it? The more serious the warning, naturally, what do? You repeat it. You're gonna find out. كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. The repetition of it actually adds to the state of urgency and the style of warning that Allah Azza wa Jalla is communicating.